today is the subtle changes that count. What I'm going to be talking about in this screencast is the really subtle changes, not the doc expose, not scrolling through stacks, not any of this stuff that's really commonplace. I'm going to be talking about the little refinements that you'll only really see if you're really observant or if you actually have the operating system. This video is just basically a collection of tiny little things that really make Snow Leopard worth the upgrade and make Snow Leopard worth the investment. Once again, I'm recording this video using QuickTime X. This time it should be in widescreen. I had to scale down a little bit though, so you could see what was going on. And as we're talking about Snow Leopard, I'll just have this little rant for a minute. This video, when it's uploaded to YouTube, because QuickTime now has direct upload to YouTube, it has webcam capture, screen capture, audio capture, and direct upload to YouTube. It's just a record, stop kind of recorder, but it's really useful. When I uploaded the other one to YouTube, the test of the screen recorder, I was amazed at the file size and how small it was, because even at this resolution, which, as I was saying, I had to downscale a bit. This is 1280 by this is 1224 by 768. It was recognised as HD by YouTube, but for 5 minutes it was only 28 meg, and the quality's awesome. So's the audio quality, and it doesn't put strain on the processor, which is the difference between this and iShowU. So I don't know how they're pulling this off, but iShowU seems to make an awful lot more strain on the processor. My fans spin, and it's just crazy. So that's especially good. Please tell me if this video is in stereo audio, because outside of which mic I use and some basic quality settings, when I fire off the video, I have no control over whether I say it's in mono or stereo. So I would have thought it's in stereo by default, because I'd have thought Apple would do that, but tell me either way. So let's get into some of these refinements. We'll start off in the menu bar, because there's a couple there. You may have seen some of these in other videos, but these are the smaller ones. We'll start off down this end. You see, I'm on battery now, and it's charging. First thing, the icon's changed. These are really small little refinements. We have more information about the battery, whether the battery's charged or not, and we can show lots of different data about the battery. As a quick thing to that, if we now go to the preferences, we have the option to choose between the power adapter and the battery. We've got several more options. We can put hard disk to sleep when possible, automatically adjust brightness, and this new one, start up automatically after a power failure. So say the power goes down, and it'll restart as soon as power is available again. We can schedule wakes and sleeps. I don't think that was up before. So say you want it. Say you want the computer to start up. So you want to shut it down at night and then start itself up about the time you get up ready for work in the morning. You can do that with this timer. So that's about all there is in the energy preferences. In the what was I going to say? In the appearance preferences, a few colours have changed. In expose and spaces, there's a couple of changes there, namely the default kind of setup of everything. An expose, because of dock expose, there's a few subtle changes there. Also in date and time, you have an option to set date and time automatically. You have this option in installation, and now you have the option for time zone. Some things have changed in voiceover. Now you get more data about exactly what's going on, so it's really useful for the visually impaired. I'm not going to go over that anymore, just to say you get a lot more data. I think would suffice. There's nothing changed anywhere else that I know of, and there's you get more data every Wi-Fi network. It often says the signal strength on every network. You have the signal strength right next to the networks, so you can work out exactly which one's best. The time machine method is the same. Software updates a little bit different. It now when it checks it and when it finds updates, it finishes. You now have a record of which updates were installed, which I don't think you could do before. So that's just a record of just a few of the things. I'm sure there's more, but just a few of the things that are changed in Snow Leopard. Also, keyboard and mouse has changed, and you've now got these categorized kind of boxes of which keyboard shortcuts are for which type of application. System install keyboard shortcuts. So that's much easier. You've still got the ability to add them, and so the trackpad and keyboard options are separated. That's basically what I wanted to show you. So thanks for watching this video on the subtle refinements made in Snow Leopard. See you next